In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Microsoft Teams sharing bar. This can be especially useful during presentations or meetings, where you want to minimize distractions on your screen and have a cleaner view for both you and your audience. Let's dive right in. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. It's important to ensure you're signed in so that we can access all the available features. Once Microsoft Teams is up and running, join or start a meeting. This could be for a one-on-one call, a group meeting, or even a webinar. Now, once you're in the meeting, you'll need to start sharing your screen. This can be done by clicking on the Share option, usually represented by an icon that looks like a rectangle with an upward arrow. You'll see this icon found within the meeting controls, typically at the bottom of your Teams window. After clicking this icon, you'll see different options to either share your entire screen, a specific window, or even a particular application. Choose the one that best fits what you plan to present. Once you've begun sharing your screen, the sharing bar should appear at the top of your screen. It serves as a control panel where you can manage your sharing settings. However, to hide this bar for a cleaner interface, move your mouse up to the top of your screen, where the bar is located. Hover over the sharing bar, and notice that some options appear. You'll want to look for the small icon that resembles a pushpin. When you click on this pushpin icon, the sharing bar will automatically hide, giving you a cleaner screen to work with. But don't worry, just because the bar is hidden doesn't mean it's gone forever. If at any point you want to bring it back to make some adjustments, simply move your mouse to the top of the screen where the bar was initially located. The same pushpin icon will appear, allowing you to click it again to return the bar to its original, visible state. This hidden feature is really handy, as it helps you keep the spotlight on your presentation instead of the features within Teams. Having the sharing bar hidden minimizes the potential for distractions both for you and your viewers. Remember, if you're asked any questions during your meeting that require you to manipulate the sharing bar, you can easily bring it back without missing a beat. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to hide the Microsoft Teams sharing bar for a more seamless and professional-looking presentation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips like this one.